Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is called Giselle. If you're joining me for the first time, thank you for stopping by. Welcome to the channel. My name is Giselle and I really hope you enjoy your stay on my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being subscribed and thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. In today's video, guys, you can see on my title, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do my version of the clean girl aesthetic makeup. I've seen this sort of look going around on social media. I first saw it on TikTok, then I saw a few videos on YouTube, and I just wanted to show you guys how I do my version. So I kind of like this makeup. Sometimes I'm all for the full glam and I really like a full beat, but nothing beats just a fresh, airy sort of makeup, not too much. And I think when I think of this makeup, I just think of the no makeup look, so it really resonates to me in that way. So I really wanted to show you guys how I would do my version of clean girl aesthetic makeup. So I really hope you enjoy it, and yeah, I really hope you like it. I will list all the products that I use in the description box below, and yeah, let's get into it. So guys, for this makeup look, I'll be just using 3 products literally on my face. Just a little bit of foundation on the areas that are a little bit dark, and then some concealer, some highlight concealer, and then some contour as well, just to add a little bit of warmness to the skin. But compared to what I would normally do, I'm just going to be using less products, and I think that's the whole point of this makeup. It's just meant to look very fresh, very natural, and very airy. You still look like you do have a bit of makeup, but it doesn't look cakey. That's what I think of this look. So yeah, that's the foundation that I'm going to be using. It is the Born to Glow foundation, and I'm going to show you guys how I apply it. So guys, with a flat makeup brush that looks like that, I am going to apply my foundation at the back of my hand. I always do this because it just helps with warming up the product really nicely onto the back of my hand, and then yeah, just applying that onto my face. So what I like to do is I just like to go in to the areas that I tend to have a lot of darkness. So like underneath my eyelid area is what I like to do. So guys, as you can see, I like to go into the areas where I tend to have a lot of darkness and hyperpigmentation, like underneath my eye area, on my under eye, and then a little bit above my lips, because I tend to have a little bit of darkness there, and then just a little bit on my forehead, not too much, and then just on areas where I just have a bit of blemishes that I want to cover, because as much as I like airy makeup, I also like to make sure that the areas that I've got imperfections are covered. So just like around here, on the lip area, just like that. And then basically I'm going to blend it out with a beauty blender and then show you guys the next step. In my opinion, nothing beats a nice, airy sort of makeup look. Something that's not too much effort, sorry, is what I mean. I like to do this makeup when I'm going to work, because when you're going to work, you don't have the time to be doing too much to your face. So something that just makes you look, you know, like you look alive, but you don't have too much makeup, is what I like to definitely rock when I go into the office. And something that's not going to take me a lot of time. I can't be doing too much like highlight contouring to the extreme in the morning. I just want to hurry up and go and get to work. So this sort of makeup really makes me happy. And then for my highlight concealer, I'm going with the Hydrating Camo Concealer from Nyx Cosmetics in the shade Tan Sand. And yeah, this is one of my favorite concealers to use. It's so thick, it's so creamy, and just helps with brightening up my under eyes, which I tend to want to make sure that those look nice and bright. And then a little bit on the center is what I'd go for, and then just right there and on top of that Cupid's bow, just like that. So guys, because I don't want this makeup to look like I've got makeup on, I'm just going to apply a little bit of this Born This Way setting powder, the translucent powder, just a little bit underneath my eyes and on areas where I tend to get a little bit of oiliness, but I'm not going to apply a lot of product. It's just going to be sort of just a brush in sort of technique, and then yeah, just brush it in basically to the skin. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to use this lovely fluffy brush, which I really love. So guys, because I don't want this makeup to look like I've got makeup, I want it to look natural, I'm just going to apply a little bit of the Born This Way setting powder, which is in the shade Translucent. I always use it all the time, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this fluffy brush, and I'm just going to add it into the areas where it would naturally crease, but I'm not going to be baking it. I'm just sort of going to be just blending it into the skin, and yeah, that's what I'm going to do. And then just to add a little bit of warmth back to the skin, I'm going to add the e.l.f. Camo Concealer as well, which is from the same company, and this is in the shade Deep Cinnamon. So I'm not going to add like a dramatic amount or a huge amount. I'm just going to add a tad bit. It's just to warm up the skin so I just don't look too much like a ghost. So that's all we are basically doing. And then I'm going to apply a little bit on my nose area. Just like that. And then for my eyes, I'm just going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Lashes in the volume 2, and this is in the shade Black Vinyl. And I like to just keep my lashes looking a little bit alive, so this mascara is just the best mascara in terms of bringing a bit of life back to those lashes and creating a nice volume lash. So I'm just adding that onto my lashes, and then last but not least, we'll finish off with lips, and then we'll spray our face, and that is basically the look. So guys, for my lips, we're going to line them up with my favorite lip liner from Barrym Cosmetics. It is the So Chic lip liner, and it's just a nice dark chocolate brown that I like to use. Then I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Medium, and I just like to add that as a little combo. So guys, for my lips, I'm also going to add this Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick from L'Oreal, and it's in the shade Sweet Tooth. So I really love this lipstick. To finish off this makeup look, guys, I went in with the Plumping Lip Polish from NYX. This is their Filler Instinct, and yeah, it just makes your lips look fuller, plumpier, and just really nice and full. So I really like that one. And then to tie everything together and finish the look, we're gonna go in with our illuminating fix spray, glow fix spray from Makeup Revolution, and this is one of my favorites in terms of drugstore and just setting up your makeup but making your makeup look nice and glowy. That's if you do like glowy makeup. So guys, this is the finished look in terms of my clean girl aesthetic makeup. I feel like it is just the best makeup for the days when you know, the weather is hot, especially now that we're approaching the warmer months. It's just nice to wear makeup that doesn't feel too cakey, doesn't feel like your pores are literally being suffocated. So I am all for this makeup look. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I really hope you learnt something, one thing or two things, whatever you've taken from this video. I really hope that you enjoy it. Please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and also don't forget to comment, like the video, share the video, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye dolls.